In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in ElevenLabs. Whether you're looking to experiment with different languages for your projects or simply want to hear your text read aloud in a new language, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the ElevenLabs text-to-speech page. If you haven't already done so, open your browser and head over to the ElevenLabs website, then click on the text-to-speech section. This page is where all the magic happens, as it allows you to input text and select various options for speech synthesis. Once you're on the text-to-speech page, the next thing you'll want to do is focus on the voice selection area. This is a crucial step because it's not just about choosing a voice, it's about selecting the language that the voice will speak. Click on the Voice Selection drop-down menu. Here, you'll find a variety of voices, each associated with different languages and accents. Now, type in your preferred language into the search bar within the voice selection menu. This makes it easy to filter the available voices by language. Simply start typing the name of the language you want to use, and the menu will automatically show you the options that match your search. After you've selected the desired language, it's time to input your script. In the text box provided, type out the script you want to hear. This is where you can really get creative, but remember, accuracy is key. The AI will read exactly what you type, so make sure your spelling, accents, and punctuation are correct to ensure the output sounds just right. This is especially important in languages where accents and punctuation can dramatically change the meaning of words. Once your script is ready and you're satisfied with the language and voice selection, hit the play button to hear the result. This will give you a preview of how your text sounds in the chosen language. If it doesn't sound quite right, you can always go back, make adjustments to your script, or try a different voice until you get the perfect combination. And there you have it. Changing the language in ElevenLabs is a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities for your text-to-speech projects. Whether you're crafting a multilingual presentation, learning a new language, or just having fun with different voices, this tool is incredibly versatile. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you're now ready to explore the various language options available in ElevenLabs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!